ma'am.
Which lesson are we doing in science? Rishita, which lesson are we on? Which page number? Have you opened your book, Rishita?
Yes, ma'am.
What page have you opened to?
Plant around us.
Plants around us. Okay, good. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Plants are living things or non-living things?
Living things.
Very good. Sakina,
Yes, ma'am.
yesterday we studied the types of plants. Name those types of plants that we studied yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yesterday I made you all count on the fingers the types of plants.
Big one,
Yes,
small
yes,
or
yes.
or
Big plants, small plants. Okay, very good.
and um,
Okay, Omansh,
plants are living things.
Omansh. I'm
Yes,
asking you the
ma'am.
types of plants that we studied yesterday. Types of plants that we studied yesterday. Sakina has given me two types, big plants,
Big,
small plants.
big plants, small plants, capping plants.
Don't look at mummy. आप पूरा टाइम मम्मी की तरफ देखते रहते हैं, सामने देखिए मैम की तरफ. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप करेक्ट आंसर दें, गलत भी देंगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. डोंट फील स्केर्ड. व्हाई आर यू फीलिंग स्केर्ड? We are all here to learn. Climbers,
Excuse me,
creepers. Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aram.
मैम कौन सा नंबर पेज खोलना है?
Aram, page number 30, 31. We are doing plants around us. All
31.
right. Science, yes. Plants around us. I told you plants are living things. Shubh just told us. Then the types of plants. Sakina
मैम
gave two
पेज
types.
नंबर मैम
Sakina gave two types, big and small. Omansh gave.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Vali,
पेज नंबर
Vali, I will let you know. Just now you fold your hands and listen. Okay? Climbers, creepers. Climbers, कल मैंने आपको समझाया था climbers और creepers. Climbers are those plants that need support. They are weak and they need support to climb up and grow. Yes, and the examples of climbers yesterday I told you, Ronik, examples of climbers. Ronik, don't look at mummy.
मैम
अगर आप लोग ने रीडिंग करी है, स्टडी करा है लेसन को, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. आप लोग मम्मी की तरफ क्यों देखते हैं? सोचिए कल मैम ने क्लास में क्या बताया था.
मैम
प्रशस्ति, आई विल लेट यू नो द पेज नंबर. चाइल्ड जस्ट वेट. यस रोनिक, सोच के बताइए. क्लाइंबर्स.
मैम साइंस
रोनिक, कल मैम ने बताया था क्लाइंबर्स जिनको सपोर्ट चाहिए वो वीक होते हैं, खड़े होने के लिए सपोर्ट चाहिए. यस प्रशस्ति.
मैम वो सोशल साइंस की निकाली है या साइंस?
साइंस. दिस इज योर साइंस पीरियड.
ओके मैम साइंस.
Prashasti, you have to check your timetable, not mummy, okay? You have to keep your books ready every day.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ronik. Yesterday I told you climbers. I can't hear you, Ronik. You are trying to say something, child, but it's very difficult. आपके माइक से आवाज नहीं आ रही है. We have beans. Yes, money plant. You're trying to say money plant. Okay. Money plant. All right. Then you have the grapevine. Then you have the beans. These are all climbers. उनको climb करने की जरूरत है.
पेज नंबर बता दीजिए.
Prashasti, I will just let you know the page number. We are revising yesterday's work. Okay. Adhiraj, what are creepers? Adhiraj, what are creepers?
Creepers needs support to know. Grow.
Yes, Adhiraj.
Grow.
Creepers are those plants that creep on the ground. They move on the ground. They grow along the ground. जमीन में वो नीचे नीचे चल के बड़े होते हैं. Adhiraj.
बड़े बड़े फ्रूट्स लगते हैं.
And examples of creepers are?
Watermelon.
Okay, watermelon, right. Okay, now children, I hope you remember all this. Plants are living things. Usually plants grow from seeds. Then the types of plants we finish. Now today we are going to begin with the parts of a plant. You all have seen a plant. सबने plants देखे हैं, trees देखे हैं और उसमें बहुत से parts होते हैं. Just like your body has a number of parts, similarly a plant has a number of parts. Now look at this beautiful picture given on page number 33. Look at this picture given on page number 33. All of you open your books to page number 33. Adhiraj, you don't have your science book?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have it?
Yes.
Okay, then please keep it in front of you, not in front of mummy. आपकी बुक आपसे बहुत दूर है, पास में करिए अपने. Okay. Now look at the picture given on page number 33. Parts of a plant. There are different parts of a plant. These are root, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruit. They help a plant in many ways.
Root,
Now,
stem,
Adhiraj,
leaves.
मम्मी को बोलिएगा क्लास के बाद आप मम्मी को बोलिएगा आपको वो क्लास के बाद पढ़ाएंगी. अभी मैम को पढ़ा लेने दीजिए. ओके, क्लास के बाद आप आराम से बैठकर अच्छे से लाउड रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस करिएगा. Now all of you put your finger there. We'll read. I am reading. You will repeat after me. I want to see your lips moving. I want to see your lips moving. Parts of a plant. Now the first line, put your finger there. Ria, put your finger on your book. There are different parts of a plant. Rudraksh, you have to repeat. I want to see your lips moving. Hassan, are you there in the class? Hassan, are you there in the class? All right, next line. These are root, stem, leaves, flower, and fruit. Let's read that again. These are, Adhiraj, put your finger there and read. Put your finger there and read. These are root, stem, leaves,
Stem,
flower,
leaf,
and
flower
fruit.
and fruit. They
माइक
help
ऑन नहीं करना है,
or
माइक ऑन नहीं करना है, मैम के साथ रिपीट करना है. मैम आपके लिप्स का मूवमेंट देख रही हैं कि आप सब रीड कर रहे हैं. दे हेल्प अ प्लांट, कम ऑन, पुट योर फिंगर देयर. दे हेल्प अ प्लांट. विनायक रीड. मैम के साथ रीडिंग करनी है. आई वॉन्ट टू सी योर लिप्स मूविंग फॉर रीडिंग. They help a plant in many ways. Okay, now you are going to look at the picture of the plant, and each part we are going to see what each part does for the plant. Just like your body parts, they help you, they have certain functions. Your eyes help you to see, your ears help you to hear. Yes, your nose helps you to smell. In the same way, इसी तरह प्लांट्स के जो अलग अलग पार्ट्स हैं वो सब कुछ ना कुछ काम करते हैं प्लांट के लिए, तभी प्लांट अच्छे से ग्रो कर पाता है. Now let's look at the first part, that is the root. See here, सबसे नीचे, जमीन के नीचे जो होता है, प्लांट का जो पार्ट जमीन के नीचे होता है, that's under the ground, that's the root. Now I'm going to read what's written over here in the box. The root fixes the plant to the ground. प्लांट को जमीन में मजबूती से खड़ा करता है रूट्स. It takes in water and other material from the ground that is needed for the plant. अब आप जब प्लांट में पानी डालते हैं, आपने देखा होगा, अगर गार्डनर है आपके यहाँ आता है, माली आता है या मम्मी पानी डालती है, तो प्लांट में नीचे जहाँ पर रूट्स है, मिट्टी के पास में, वहाँ पर पानी डालते हैं. यस, और जो हम लोग उसमें मन्योर डालते हैं, जो खाद डालते हैं, दैट ऑल्सो वी पुट डाउन वेयर द रूट्स आर. तो रूट्स क्या करते हैं, वो सारा पानी और मन्योर सब अपने अंदर लेके स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं, एंड देन दे सेंड इट टू अदर पार्ट्स फॉर हेल्पिंग द प्लांट टू ग्रो नाइसली. सी, यहाँ पर जो रूट्स हैं ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट प्ले करते हैं. आप पानी जब पेड़ में डालते हैं, यू पुट वाटर ओवर हियर, द रूट टेक्स इन द वाटर और द मन्योर, and then it becomes strong and it helps the plant to grow. Right? Now the next is stem. Now see this center part. This center part, this is called the stem. And the stem takes food and water to all parts of the plant. Put your finger here. Put your finger on this box here. Stem. The stem takes food and water to all parts of the plant. Stem का काम होता है. ईशानवी, we are on page number 33, child. अभी तक आपके पास साइंस की बुक नहीं थी ईशानवी? You were sitting without the book? Children, you have to make sure that you are ready for class on time. Your books, copies, whatever has to be there. I have told you, बैग आपके पास में रखना है. घर पे क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बैग आपको अपने पास रखना है ड्यूरिंग क्लास. All right. So the stem, children, It takes food and water to all the parts of the plant. See here, this is the stem, this is the root. Roots सब कुछ strong करते हैं ground में plant को, and then the stem takes in all the things and distributes to all the parts. This is the stem, the center part. Can you see? Now the next is Nipun. You have joined very late, child. Page number 33. Page number 33. We are doing parts of a plant. Arav, you are sitting and talking in class. Right. Yes, please pay attention. Now the next we have the leaves. Put your finger here. Put your finger on this square. Can you see my finger? Leaves. And we are going to read, leaves grow on the stem. Most leaves are green. The leaves make food for a plant. Now very important. Most of the leaves are green in color. I'm sure आपने plants में leaves देखी होंगी. कुछ leaves कभी कभी थोड़ा सा reddish yellowish color की होती हैं. कुछ leaves जो dry हो जाती हैं वो yellow हो जाती हैं. Some dry very badly and they become brown. Yes, but usually the leaves are green in color. Adhiraj, what color are the leaves?
Green.
Yes, please sit straight and pay attention. Vaishnavi, you need to go and wash your face and come. टाइम से सोया करिए, टाइम से क्लास के लिए उठा करिए, क्लास में सोना नहीं है.
Excuse me, ma'am. Make food.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Prashasti.
may I go to washroom?
Go.
May I go to washroom?
Go, Prashasti, but make sure you do it all in the break time, please.
Okay, ma'am.
So leaves, they are green in color and they are very important. They make food for the plant. Leaves make food for the plant. Your mummy makes food for you. Yes, she makes sure that you are not hungry. She makes lovely, tasty, yummy food for you. And the leaves, they make food for the plant. Leaves are the kitchen of the plant. Plant को grow करने के लिए जो भी चीज़ें चाहिए, खाना चाहिए, the leaves make the food for the plant. Right? Roots fix the plant in the soil. Stem takes food and water to all the parts. And then the leaves grow on the stem and they make food for a plant. Next, we have the most beautiful part of a plant, that is the flower. The most beautiful part of the plant, that is the flower. Flowers are colorful and you know what happens? The flowers, जितने fruits वाले plants होते हैं ना, उसमें fruits आने से पहले flower आता है. And that flower changes into a fruit. अगर किसी के घर में किसी fruit का plant है, then you can see first you have the flowers coming and those flowers they change into fruits.
I see.
You've seen? Okay, good. Now all of you have eaten a pomegranate. You all have eaten a pomegranate, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a thumbs up. You've all eaten a pomegranate? Yes, okay. You know, the pomegranate flower is also very nice. Once upon a time, I also had a pomegranate tree in my house and we used to see the small little pomegranates growing out of the flowers. Pomegranate में जो ऊपर pointed portion होता है ना, that kind of a flower that grows, उसी से पूरा fruit grow करता है. Just imagine a small flower and it grows into a fruit. अगर mango trees किसी के घर में, if you have seen mango trees, then you must have seen the lovely flowers, those yellow ones.
I'm big plant, Binjal.
Brinjal plant, okay. So you must be getting all fresh brinjals in the house. Yes, Adhiraj?
मैम मेरे घर में भी है मैंगो ट्री
Okay, you have a mango tree, right? That's nice. So you must be getting all fresh mangoes.
मैम मेरे भी घर में यस मैम
All those who have fruits trees in their houses, all those who have fruit trees in their houses, you must have seen that the fruits grow from the flowers. These flowers, they change into fruits. Hassan, switch on your camera. Let me see you. These flowers, they change into fruits, children. And then you enjoy the yummy fruits. Yes? Okay. Then you have the final product, the fruit. Flowers change into fruits. See, most fruits have seeds inside them, and these seeds grow into new plants. Can you see? सीड्स ग्रो इनटू न्यू प्लांट्स. ये जो फ्लावर से फ्रूट बन गया, फ्रूट के अंदर सीड होती है, उस सीड को दोबारा से ज़मीन में डाला जाता है. वी प्लांट इट अगेन एंड देन वी वाटर द सीड एवरी डे. Then you have the baby plant first and the roots come out. Then you have the stem, the leaves, and the process goes on. Right? So the different parts of the plant are roots. Come on, count quickly. Roots, parts of the plant, roots, stem, leaves. Open your mouth, repeat. Root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit. 5 parts. Come on, Kriday, name those 5 parts. Let me hear you quickly. Parts of the plant, Kriday.
root
Yes.
stem
Stem. Yes.
leaf
Leaves. Then the most beautiful part of the plant.
flower
Yes. And then
Fruit.
flower changes into fruit. Very good. Okay, so these are the 5 parts,
Thank
the
you, sir.
5 main parts. The root fixes the plant to the ground. Remember, sorry. Root
ये भी
fixes
मैम
the
कह रहा
plant to the ground. Stem takes food and water to all parts of the plant. Stem takes food and water to all the parts of the plant. Leaves. Rudraksh, what is the work of the leaves?
two types of fruit
Leaves. Leaves, I told you what is the work of the leaves. Ronik, what is the work of the leaves?
to transport food
Leaves.
Make food, beta, make food भी कौन होती है?
मैम may I
Inaya, just a second. Give them a chance. They were all listening. Everybody was paying attention. Ayat Rizvi, what is the work of the leaf? What do the leaves do? What do the leaves do? आयत, मम्मी की तरफ नहीं देखना है. मैम ने अभी आप लोग को बताया था ना, जिस तरह से घर पे आपको फूड मम्मी देती है. मैंने क्या कहा था? लीव्स, they prepare the food. Yes, Ronik. Food. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Then you have the flowers. Flowers change into, Vinayak, what do the flowers change into?
fruit
Fruits. Very good.
into fruit.
Flowers change into fruits. Very good. Sanvi.
Plant.
And then the fruit. What is inside the fruit? What is a fruits? सानवी मम्मी की तरफ मत देखिए. मम्मी क्लास 1 पढ़ चुकी है बेटे, उनको दोबारा मत पढ़ाइए, आप लोग पढ़िए. सबकी मम्मी ने क्लास 1 ऑलरेडी पढ़ाई कर ली है. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू लिसन केयरफुली. फ्रूट के अंदर क्या होता है? व्हाट इज इनसाइड द फ्रूट?
Seed.
Seeds. Yes, that's right. And then Hayat, seeds grow into, when we put the seeds in the ground?
New plant.
New plant. Very good. The seeds grow again into new plants. That's right. Okay. So now you have to remember these 5 parts of the plants. You don't have to forget. Today your homework is going to be read this page only. Only this page you're going to read. अगर घर में गार्डन है तो जाकर गार्डन में प्लांट को देखेंगे मम्मी के साथ, और each part you will look at each part of the plant carefully. Right? Now let's see this exercise, what it says. Come down, look here, check your progress. The dash of a plant makes food, fruit or leaves. Shubh?
Yes, ma'am.
The dash of a plant makes food, fruit or leaves. Which part makes the food?
Ma'am, sunlight, air and water.
शुभ, अभी मैंने सनलाइट, एयर एंड वाटर का कुछ बताया ही नहीं. अभी हम लोग ने सिर्फ सिंपल 5 पार्ट्स को हम लोग ने पढ़ा है. And I'm asking you, which the dash of a plant makes food?
Ma'am, root, stem,
The
leaf.
dash makes the food. Which part makes the food?
Ma'am,
देखिए यही होता है जब आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं. जो मैम पढ़ा रही पहले उस पर ध्यान दीजिए, उतना सीख लीजिए. आप वो नहीं सीख रहे हैं, आप कुछ और जाकर सीख रहे हैं. क्लास में अगर आप ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो कैसे समझ में आएगा? निशांती, the dash of a plant makes food.
ma'am, leaf.
Leaves. All of you take your pencil and write over there leaves.
कौन सी कॉपी में करना है?
सानवी, बुक में पेज नंबर 33 पर जो नीचे एक्सरसाइज है, अगर आपके पास बुक नहीं है तो आप रजिस्टर में सिर्फ आंसर्स लिखिए. Arav, the next one. The dash change into fruit. The dash change into fruit.
Ma'am,
Flower or leaves? Arav?
flowers.
Flowers. Okay, very good. The flowers change into fruit. Shivansh, the next one. Most fruits
Yes,
have
ma'am.
most fruits have dash inside them. Most fruits
Ma'am.
have
Sir.
stem or seeds. What is inside the fruit? Stem or seeds?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, seeds. Excuse me,
Seeds.
ma'am.
That's right. So please write over there seeds.
Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
Prashasti.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Prashasti.
Ma'am, the dash of a plant makes food.
Now you tell me the answer, fruit or leaves. अभी हम लोग
Yes,
ने ऊपर पढ़ा है Which part makes the
Yes,
food?
ma'am.
Which part makes the food?
Leaves.
Which part of the plant makes food? यस प्रशस्ति, अभी हम लोग ने ऊपर पढ़ा है, आपने ध्यान दिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the answer?
May I go to washroom?
Yes, leaves. All right, now we will stop for today over here. The first three we have done. We have done the first three fill in the blanks. We will continue again in the next science period. Now, all of you join your hands, close your eyes. I'll say the prayer. And remember, you have your Hindi in the third period today. Hindi ma'am will take Hindi class. Do you remember? Please remember to join the Hindi class. Oh God, thank you for helping us to acquire wisdom of your creation during this week. Thank you for allowing me to know who I am and what are my strengths and weaknesses, and helping me to advance one more step in my precious life. May the good Lord help me and guide me on my way back home and every day of my life. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. Good morning and thank you, children. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend.
Bye.
Happy